Hi, my name's Kat McDowell, and I'm a singer-songwriter and origami teacher here on YouTube. I post music-related videos, origami videos, and the occasional vlog, so if you'd like to see more videos from me, make sure that you hit subscribe, hit that bell button, and you'll get more. Let's get folding! We are going to start with a pentagon. Let's make a pentagon first. Flip it over. Meow. And then we're going to create a little X marks the spot here. X marks the spot. So we're going to fold this over like so and mark it. Got a little X here. And then we're going to bring this corner over to where the X is. So like this. And just put your finger there to mark it. Bring this down and straight. Awesome. And then we're going to fold this side over here. Flip it over. So now we're going to cut along this line. And we have our pentagon! Yeah! 5 points. Awesome. So let's start with this. One way we're going to make it a little bit easier is we want all of these points here to be valley folds. Valley folds are like this. This is a mountain fold. So we want these to be valley folds. We want the insides to be mountain folds. So let's do this. Let's make this one a mountain fold. Right. And make this one the valley fold. Like this. This one needs to be a mountain fold. You can maybe even flip it over. Like this. And this one is a valley fold, mountain fold, valley fold, mountain fold, valley fold, mountain fold, valley fold. This needs to be a mountain fold. And this one needs to be a valley fault. Okay, so it should kind of look like this. Okay, I think this is how we can do this. And then we're gonna take these bottom corners, bring them up to this point. Take these corners, bring them up here. Alright, and then we're going to open it up and do the same thing. But this side, bring it over. And take these two corners, bring them up.
Make it feel like it's Christmas. And when I'm home, you always make it feel like it's Christmas.
Spin it around, same thing. These two corners up here. It gets a little bit confusing when you start to see a lot of lines, so make sure that they're hitting the right lines. You need to look at the YouTube video. Yeah, I know. It gets confusing because there's so many lines here. So you just need to keep making sure that you're lining it up with these lines here. Keep tracing it back so that it lines up with these two lines and nothing else. And you can see this little inside star, yeah? Okay. And now we bring these two together. So we bring them up like this, and it should kind of come up. Then you can fold this side down and fold this over. And we're going to create a crease right here. So just fold this down over and just reinforce that crease. Open it up. We're going to do the same thing. Bring these two sides up. Bring this up, line this up, and then create a crease right here. Like that. Open it up, bring these two up. So we just do this on all 5 sides.
Walking on the beach alone, dreaming of my winter clothes, and keeping warm together in the snow. Falling like a snowflake smitten, walking slow and holding mittens, freeze together so we can let go. I'll pack a bit of sunshine in my suitcase, and even though it's icy on the road, I'm coming home, singing all the carols.
Almost there. Okay, here we go. Now we have all the lines that we need. Whew, so many lines. And these are all the lines we need. So we're going to bring it all up and then collapse it all onto each other. So for those of you who made dumplings, it's like making a dumpling. You're going to collapse this down on here. This one is going to go down here like this. Or maybe like you're wrapping a present or something. Bring it all up at once. This might help. Bring it all up at once and you're going to kind of be able to collapse them all onto each other like this.
It always feels better to be holding you again. And if the snow and sleep begin to pour once more in the middle of the storm, it'll still be warmer than the California sand. So as soon as
if we open it up,
I'm coming home,
it's going to look like this. Let's do it again. Wrap it up. bring it all up together and bring them all down on top of each other like this. Awesome! Okay, now we flip it over. I'm going to take these corners and bring them up here. Take these corners, bring them up. Bring this corner up to here and then fold along this line. Like so. Like that. And one more. So this one we've got to come under, bring this over, over and under. Bring it under and fold this. It's a little bit finicky here. Can do it over and under. Like this. Yes, okay, and here is our star. I hope you enjoyed today's origami lesson. Remember to subscribe if you like these videos, and please tag me in your photos if you ever post them. I'd love to see them. I also make origami live on Twitch, so come and hang with me over there. I'd love to see you. If you want to hear more of my songs, there's a playlist here. If you want more origami tutorials, there's some right here. And lastly, I want to thank my Patreon supporters. Their generosity allows me to do what I do here on YouTube. So thank you. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you again next week. Bye!